Hey there, crayon architects and tower dreamers. Welcome back to Color and Create with Ziggy. Today we're building big, like reach the moon donut-shaped llama-carrying elevator big. Yep, we're designing our very own skyscraper. So grab your markers, your imagination, and maybe a hard hat made of glitter glue. What will your skyscraper look like? Let's start with the basics, or the bananas. Is your skyscraper tall and shiny like a popsicle? Curvy like a twisty straw? Or shaped like a giant sock? Hey, I don't judge. Maybe it's got slides instead of stairs, or windows shaped like waffles. Draw your skyscraper now. The sillier, the better.
Yay!
Every great building needs a superpower. What makes yours extra wow? Can it launch marshmallows from the top? Does it float? Dance, turn into a robot on weekends? Label your crazy features like a real blueprint boss. Ziggy's skyscraper turns neon pink when it's thinking. Yours? Now go wild, draw it in action.
Yay!
Add yourself to the scene. You built it. Now live in it. Are you the architect? The rooftop pizza chef? Maybe you're just chilling in a hammock on floor 212. Draw yourself enjoying your creation. Bonus points if there's a popcorn machine next to you. Ready for the challenge? Color your skyscraper in your boldest, brightest, most confetti-powered colors. Or design a whole new city full of silly towers. Ask a grown-up to help you upload your drawing to the kids' canvas gallery at educolorpress.com. And yes, you might see your skyscraper featured in the next episode.
Oh, yeah.
Want to see real-life towers that touch the sky? Check out our book, Engineering Marvels Around the World. It's full of fascinating facts, coloring pages, and amazing architecture from around the globe. That's it for today's episode of Color and Create with Ziggy. Keep drawing, keep dreaming, and until next time, stay bright, stay curious, and stay ziggified. Also, maybe don't build your skyscraper out of spaghetti. Or do, I'd live there. You can download free printables from this episode at educolorpress.com.